Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can export data from your ClickUp workspace really quickly to save these, for example, on your desktop computer, laptop or Mac. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left. And basically what you need to do, guys, is click on the profile icon in the top right and select settings from that drop down menu. And here inside your account settings on the left hand side, simply switch to import and exports here. And what you want to do after that is decide whether you'd like to import or export. In this case here, we would like to export the data. So select export. And after that, click on that button here to start the exporting job in CSV format, guys. So if we, for example, would like to open the exported data via Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So click on it, wait for the data to be prepared for the export. And after that, you will be given access to the download link here so that you may download your exported data in CSV format to open it via Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll see you next time.